welcome back to Ramjet Rose. So today is a bit chilly, so I decided why not have some bran muffins. So I'm gonna make these giant muffins. They're super soft, super delicious. You gotta try them out. You'll need a cup of flour, a cup of bran, a quarter cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of yogurt or sour milk, and 2 eggs. What we're going to do, we're going to whisk in our wet ingredients together, whisk our dry ingredients, then fold in our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. The key is not to overmix, because once you overmix, you're going to get a very stiff muffin. So do it very slowly, but once it's combined, then you just stop, scoop it into your little cupcake holders, put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes till it comes out dry with a toothpick. Now we let them to rest. They're super tasty. You can see they're quite massive. They're super delicious, super soft. So please try them out. Leave a comment. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. So please like, subscribe, hit that bell button so as soon as we get a new video out, you get to see it. Keep well, guys.